First, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. I spoke to you last week and wanted to give you a little bit of information about increasing the value of your company and getting some more exposure. There are three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google to increase your exposure: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand every time you type something into Google, these are considered keywords that Google uses to look for websites that best fit this search criteria, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords, and then they categorize these websites based on their content, and this is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Also, backlinks play a part in this. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Citations or referring domains is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. It directly connects your business to the citations and the area that you service, and it ranks you on the map area here. A lot of people get exposure here through the map when you're searching for services near you, near me, tree service near me. Citations come from directories like Angie, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value and move yourself up the rank structure onto the first page of Google. Now, if you've ever wondered how these companies get here on the first page of Google, it is through organic ranking, not advertising like Yelp. Underneath this map is all of the organic race or ranked businesses through their content and their keyword. So, for example, Tree Services, Deerfield, Illinois. Now, this is your site, and these are the areas that you cover. And it's important to have the right keyword and the right content to be found. So, when people are typing in Deerfield Service or Tree Service Deerfield, they're not finding you on the first page, and I can show you why and explain the reasons behind that. You do have a competitor here, this particular service, Deerfield Aerial Tree Service. So first I wanted to show you your website, and then I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with your website. I see that you have 24 backlinks. Again, those are links from other sites endorsing you. You have 12 referring domains and one keyword. With the Aerial Tree Service and his website in the same tool, you can see that he has 152 backlinks, 85 domains connected, and 122 keywords that are generating him around 40 views of traffic per month. Now, understanding the keywords that are within your content of your website is how customers who are searching for a particular service or you, this is how you are found through the content and the keywords. Same day tree service is searched 30 times a month. Tree service near me now, 60. Free tree service inspection, 30. Tree service now. Tree removal and trimming near me, 60. Tree cleanup near me, 100 times. Tree trimming services near me, 5,000 times. This is per month. So these combined totals is the exposure rate that you will get from potential customers and clients that are looking for services. Now, without the right content and the right keywords built into your website, you won't get the exposure that you need, and Google will not recognize you as being trusted or acknowledged as much as another business is, because they have different backlinks or more backlinks, or more keywords or more referring domains. Not all referring domains or backlinks are created equal. You want a strong domain rank with a fair amount of traffic per month coming through. As you can see here, it's a little slack, not so much traffic. You want strong domain, strong backlinks, strong traffic. With that being said, I hope that you have a better understanding of how important it is to have a well-built website, what Google is looking for to rank you and move you onto the first page organically. This is how the companies and the businesses get here with the right content. It's important to be seen, to create value, more leads, more customers. Without a well-built website, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. So you really want to be able to fall in that field of the search engine and the criteria that people are looking for to get you the business overall that you are looking for to help yourself grow, more customers and exposure. With that being said, I want to thank you for your time today. If there were any goals that you were looking for that you wanted to pursue with your business, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Um, that's pretty much it for today. And I just wanted to thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for your time.